Hey there, Jake here, Brantford Honda. Today we're doing a little collision repair. As you can see, this car's been in an accident. It's had quite a bit of mechanical damage done to the vehicle, and we do fix that here. Today I'm actually replacing the bulkhead for the radiator and the condenser. There's the old one there. It's been cracked and damaged. Some of the reasons why you'd like to bring your car here to us is we have the proper diagnostic software to make sure that everything is done and programmed properly. This is a radar unit off this car. Only a Honda dealer can actually aim this properly for you. If you bring it to an auto body shop, chances are they're going to bring it to us anyway. We know the ins and outs with the systems in here with our cars, and to make sure that things get done right, you know, you're better off just bringing it here once. However, we will send it out for the paint to be done or any kind of panel repairs, but that's, once again, that's something that they specialize in that we don't. So yeah, got any issues, any problems with your car there from accident, collision, you want to bring it on in, bring it by, we can get an appraisal for you, sort things out, get you in a rental, and go from there. All right, thanks.